In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn your first $50 to $100 a day with Digistore24. And I'm going to show you how to do this even if you are a complete beginner. And if you're new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page where you can get started with this ultimate affiliate marketing course and start earning passive income with affiliate marketing. So moving on to today's video, the first thing you want to do is quite simple. You want to head over to digistore24.com if you don't have an account already. And all you just need to do is to click on the register now button to create an account. So once you have your account created, your dashboard is going to look like this. And if you look at the left hand section of the page, this is where you're going to find various products available on Digistore24 that you can promote to start making money. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be taking the fitness and health niche as an example. But as you can see right here, there are other categories that you can replicate this same strategy. So once I click on this, you can see right here, over 120 products are available under the fitness and health category on Digistore24. Okay, so what you want to do from here is to pick a product on this list. And if you look at this product, you're going to see how much you're going to make when you sell this product. As you can see, this one right here, the ultimate keto meal plan is going to pay you $23 for every sale you make. So if you make 5 sales a day, you are already making at least $100 from this product alone. So I'm going to show you how to do everything in this video. So if you keep scrolling down, you are going to see other products that pay higher as well. You can see this one over $30 for every sale you make. Right. So all you need to do is to make sure whatever product you're going with, you want to make sure the product has a good rating. As you can see right here, this one has 4 out of 5 star rating, which means a lot of affiliates have made a lot of money promoting this product. So that is a very good indicator that this product is going to make money for us as well. So what you want to do from here is to copy the affiliate link to this product. As you can see right here, you want to copy your link. If you don't see this, you're going to see somewhere that says promote now. So all you need to do is to click on that. So the next thing you want to do is to go to any URL shortening website of your choice. So I'm going to take cut.ly as an example. So once you come over to this website, all you need to do here is to paste in your affiliate link from Digistore and you want to click on shorten. So once you do this, you'll be provided with a shorten URL right here and you want to make sure to copy the shorten link. So once you do this, the next step now is driving traffic to this product and making money. And one of the most profitable traffic sources you can use is Facebook. And I'm going to show you how to do this without having to spam Facebook groups. So once you go over to facebook.com, you want to type in weight loss. So once you type in weight loss, you are going to see a lot of Facebook groups about weight loss. And like I promised, you are not going to be spamming this Facebook group with any affiliate link. All you need to do is to make sure to go over to any of these groups. As you can see this one right here, I'm going to take this one as an example, weight loss group. So if I click on this group right here, all you need to do from here is to go over to where it says people. So once you come over here, you are going to see people who are just joining this group. You can see right here, a lot of these people are from United States, as you can see right here. So all you need to do is to come over here and you want to send these people a message. You already know they are interested in losing weight, and that is a good indicator that they are going to be interested in this Digistore24 product. So once you click on the profile, you want to click on where it says send message. So once you do that, all you need to do is to send them a message like this. All right, so as you can see right here, I have made this script available. I'm going to leave a link to this script in the description so that you can use it for absolutely free. So all you need to do from here is to change all these parameters right here. You can see you want to type in the name of that Facebook profile. You want to type in the name of the group, and all you need to do is to send that message to this person. And when you are sending your first message, you don't want to include any link so that you don't come off spammy to these people. All right, so as you can see right here, I have just edited this text. As you can see, the name of the person and the name of the Facebook group. So all you need to do from here is to just send out this message to this Facebook account, because like I said, you already know they are interested in losing weight. And as you can see, this group has over 90,000 members. You want to make sure to send out this message to people who recently joined the group. All right, so all you need to do is to send out this first message and you want to wait for them to reply. So once they reply the first message, then that is when you want to send them the second message right here. As you can see, Thank you so much for getting back to me. So recently, I heard about a keto meal plan product that works for both men and women, and the results are truly impressive. The price they are offering is so surreal for the value you get. Don't take my word for it. Just click here to watch a quick video where they explain everything. The reason why I use this script is because if you go to the landing page of this product, you are going to be taken to this video where this person is going to explain everything they are going to get from this product. Okay, so once you copy the shortened link, you want to paste it right here. So you want to make sure you send this message out to these people, and I recommend to send out this message to 10 to 20 people a day. And if you get just 2 to 3% of these people purchasing this product, you'll be making between $50 to $100 a day. As you can see, this product costs $23. So if you want to message more than 20 people a day, then I recommend you create multiple Facebook accounts to do this strategy. Okay, you don't want to message too many people on one Facebook account, as you don't want to get your Facebook account banned. And keep in mind, as you can see right here, there are so many Facebook groups that you can do this strategy. You can see this one with over 156,000 members. So all you need to do is to create multiple Facebook profile and send these messages. So the more people you send this message to, the more chances you are going to get people to purchase this product. As you already know, they are looking for solutions to lose weight, and this is a perfect product that you are selling to them, as this product is going to help them lose weight. And also this product is inexpensive as well. So this is a very simple strategy any beginner can get started with to make money online with affiliate marketing. And also make sure to replicate this strategy with any of these niches right here. This is one of the easiest methods that you can use to make money online as an absolute beginner, as you only need just a few minutes a day to copy and paste this message to as many Facebook group members as you can find, and all you need to do is to make money. And so you can go over to Twitter as well, and all you need to do is to go to the search section and type in "I need to lose weight." So once you do this, you're going to see a lot of people. You can see this one right here, 6 hours ago, "I need to lose weight." So all you need to do is to just send them this script that I've made available to you for free. Just copy and paste it and send it out to these people. And if you come over to the latest section, you can see right here, an hour ago, this person right here, "I need to lose weight." You can see no one has made a comment on this post right here, and you can see this post has gotten 7 impressions already on Twitter. So if you combine using Facebook and Twitter with this simple strategy, then you will definitely make money on Digistore24. So that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value in this video, drop a like on the video, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.